This street was supposed to have been a neighborhood that the John Hall family was helping to build. Today, it's nothing more than a housing tundra with empty land and foreclosed fire sales. Strangely enough, the despair is the inspiration for a novel new business model taking shape via social media. And it may be the path leading to the next frontier for America's home builders. And here's why. Perhaps a sign of the times in the home building industry in America. In this neighborhood outside of Chicago, a very nice one, I might add, John Hall Homes has 3 lots, and he's giving those lots away for nothing. 3 years ago, when the housing bubble popped, like so many other U.S. home builders, family-owned John Hall Homes nearly crumbled.
We were on the brink of closing down our business, and we worked extremely hard and used social media almost 100% to market ourselves, and social marketing is really what saved our company.
Land, originally worth $175,000, now being advertised through social media sites. A competitive housing industry that is clearly creating innovating ways of enticing new buyers.
We've been paying on these lots for years, and I thought what would be a great way to help move these lots and live up to our obligations and put our people to work. If you build a home with me on one of these lots, we're going to do it with the lot for free.
Mark Falk is the head of residential lending for the National Bank in Elgin, Illinois. And when John told him that he was going to give away these high-dollar lots for free, he was taken aback.
Over there.
This is a new one for me. When John called me this morning and ran it by me, I was excited to get out here because it's good to see contractors think outside the box.
Nationwide, new home sales totaled only 321,000 last year. That's the lowest number since 1963. This year, weak demand and foreclosures will likely make it harder than ever for many builders to stay alive.
I mean, I've lost a lot of friends and a lot of good competition that was out there over these past few years to this recession, and I think that a lot of builders are afraid. Some builders are sticking their heads in the sand and just waiting it out to see what happens.
New home sales, a true sign of how the economy is actually doing. In the whatever it takes world of 2011, social media is on fire and helping businesses. And only time will tell if John Hall Homes' latest strategy can sell houses.
You know, I mean, when you sit there and you look at what your house price, your average house, and your lot, you know, and if you can say to take off that lot price right now, that's huge. That's what they can sink into that house.
Robert Ray, The Associated Press.